Hey Colin, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out and spoke with you earlier this week. Promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you could do to really maximize your traffic online. So, with that, let me get started. So, it looks like you're using the free website that the Google Business Profile um, gave you. Now, the thing with these is that they're not really ever built to rank. If you look at your site, you know you guys you have some links to it, but there's really no content here. There's nothing that's going to help you really rank for anything, and you can see that with the fact that you're not ranking for any organic keywords. You're not, nobody can really find you unless they're searching for you. So really important to kind of get your own website, and just to kind of show you what that looks like. This is Honolulu Roofing, and this is they're ranking high for Honolulu roofers, and they have some issues here with being not secure. But I mean, as you can see, there's a lot of content here. There's a lot of images. There's a lot of different things that they're doing that are allowing them to kind of rank and get found. So my first tip would just be to get a normal website. You typically we use these, but we use these more as a backlink. So I'll put some information in here. I'll link it to all your socials, and it'll add as a backlink, and it's much more effective as that than it is as using it as a website. So that would be my first tip. My second tip would be to continue to build and grow this Google business profile. And really, what happens is, and really allow yourself to get more traffic from a variety of different ways. So, when someone searches, there's a ton of different ways to convert, right? This map pack is a great thing, and getting in these top three allows you to pull up to 40% of the traffic. These top three Google business profiles do in fact get a lot of traffic. And if you can, rank yourself in the top three, you're really going to go a long way in pulling traffic to your site. And how you do that is a variety of different ways. Citations, which are directories, the amount of times your name, number, address are listed on the web, as well as reviews and photos. You want those photos saved as keywords. So if I'm wanting to rank for Honolulu roofers, I would upload a photo saved as that, and I might pick this location here, and Google will feel that you did a roof or a service at that location. So really important to add those keywords, and save those photos as keywords, and really kind of top your competition in everything they're doing. There are other ways in which to convert the people as well. These local ads are a great way to get phone calls. Typically they convert at a high level, and what happens is you only get charged every time you get a call. So there's a high conversion rate with that, because most of the time people aren't going to call unless they're really interested. So this is a great way to get traffic, and people generally trust these because Google will guarantee up to a certain point, any work that's done by their Google guaranteed contractor. These ads are a great way to capture people that click on the first thing they see, right? For those who click on the first thing they see, if they don't catch these initially, it's these ads. And so if you're local guaranteed, if you're in these ads, if you're here in the map pack, and if you're ranking organically, you're going to pull as much traffic as you can. And last but not least, you really want to build up the strength of your site. So a lot of this power and strength is coming from um, Google itself, this 92. And how you build this up is you definitely add referring domains that are do follow links. So the fact that you have a UR of 20 is speaks volume. Like, you have a few good links that are linking to this particular domain, but because it's a Google site, it's just not really ever going to do a ton for you. and that's kind of what you're seeing. So, you could really go through and kind of redirect this to a site of your choosing and a domain, and that would really help as well. Um, so that those are my three tips. Get a new website, really build the strength of that site up, and really put yourself in a position to get as much traffic as you can by, maybe running local ads, running Google ads, whatever it may be. And with that should come increased volume online. You should really start seeing a lot of growth. But these Google business sites just really aren't usually effective in pulling traffic. And so I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, concerns, comments. My uh, contact information is in the email. I also have a link to my calendar. Myself or my business partner Jackie would love to get in touch with you at whatever time you fill out. So, with that, have a great day and God bless.